Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Avalanche, AVAX, from Binance to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified account on Binance with some AVAX in your wallet, and a Robinhood account that's ready to receive crypto. Always double-check that your Robinhood wallet is set up for AVAX deposits. It's crucial to avoid any lost funds. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Search for Avalanche, AVAX, in the asset list and click on it. You'll see options for the network. For AVAX, make sure to select the Avalanche C chain to ensure compatibility with Robinhood. Next, enter your Robinhood wallet address. You can find this by logging into Robinhood, going to your crypto section, and copying the AVAX address. Paste it carefully into the Binance withdrawal form. Don't forget to add the amount you want to withdraw. Start small if you're new to this to avoid hefty fees. Before you hit confirm, review everything. Check the network, address, and amount. Binance might charge a withdrawal fee, so keep an eye on that. Once you're good, click confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to Robinhood and refresh your wallet. Your AVAX should appear shortly. Congrats! You've successfully moved your assets. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers can be irreversible, so always verify details to prevent errors. If you run into issues, both platforms have support resources. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.